Hello guys, Rob here. The BlockBase Airgrab number 2 is here. Before we get into how to sign up for Airgrab number 2, the distribution numbers from Airgrab number 1 are in. Each one of these Airgrabs lasts from the 8th of the month to the 8th of last month, so Airgrab number 1 went from October 8th to November 8th, and Airgrab number 2 started on November 8th. So I'll leave a link to this in the description below. Now, how this is different from other Airgrabs is there is luck factored in. If we look here at Airgrab number 1's results, the luckiest account got 2,962 BBT tokens, whereas the unluckiest account got only 244.99 BBT. So over a 10x luck factor figured into here, and they are still airdropping these. So if you do not see BBT in your account yet, more than likely you just have not been dropped them yet. They are currently right here at 1,139. If you got lucky and got more than 1,139, you've already been dropped them. If you've got less than that, they are still dropping. That's just because of the CPU congestion right now. They can only send a certain amount out per day until they have to wait for their CPU to recharge and send more out the next day. So again, I'll leave a link to this in the description below. If you are on Windows, just Control F pops up the search feature and you can type in your account. Send EOS to CML is the account I used in the last how-to video. I still got a ways to go. I got pretty unlucky on this one, only getting 267.7228 BBT. So that's still a while to go. Probably a couple more days until I get those. Now, there was a lot of accounts that were not included in this. From the 21,820 accounts that registered, only 9,948 were selected for receiving tokens. This is because some people mass registered. So as one person registered 3,000 accounts, so none of those accounts got tokens. So if you registered hundreds of accounts or thousands of accounts, do not expect to get any. There is some wiggle room if you have a normal amount of accounts registered, 1, 2, 3, 5. You can expect to see them. Check and see if your name's on the list. But if you're one of the person that registered hundreds of accounts, thousands of accounts, or just created accounts just for this Airgrab, do not expect to get these tokens. And check the list, your account name is probably not in it. So anyone that participated in Airgrab number 1, those accounts cannot be used in any of these future Airgrabs. If you would like to participate in Airgrab number 2 or any future Airgrabs, you have to use an account that has not registered yet. Let's just quickly cover how to do this. On the BlockBase.network site, on the home page here, you can see the sign up for Airgrab button. Click that, brings up the disclaimer. Make sure to read through the disclaimer. Confirm that you have read and agree to the terms, and confirm you're not a robot. Submit that. And here you can log in with Scatter and sign up for Airgrab number 2. You can also check your Airgrab registration. So if we check Airgrab registration, send EOS to CML is one of my accounts that registered for Airgrab number 1. Account already signed up for the Airgrab. So now going back to the claim page here, all you got to do is log in with Scatter. Select which EOS account you want to sign up for the Airgrab with. Allow that, and then the sign up for Airgrab button appears. Once you click that, you'll see a Scatter transaction. And this is on the BlockBase token contract, the sign up feature. You will see owner is your account name and quantity 0 BBT. 0 BBT is what you will see in your account until the airdrop ends. So until December 8th, like we saw this month, I think it started on the 11th. So a couple days after the 8th is when the distribution will start for Airgrab number 2. Don't be worried if you see 0 BBT. That is completely normal. They don't know how many to airdrop you until they know how many accounts actually sign up for the Airgrab and then go through their luck algorithm and assign a token value for each account. So you just click allow to sign up. I have already signed up with this account, so it might throw an error here. transaction failed because I already signed up for the Airgrab. I'll leave links to both of these in the description, the BlockBase Network homepage with the sign up for Airgrab button and the list of Airgrab number 1 distribution results, so you can check and see how much you were getting if you participated in Airgrab number 1. If you have any questions, you can head over to the BlockBase Telegram group or pop them down in the comments below. Are you on Telos yet? The Telos blockchain is currently seeing increased interest from dApps because of the CPU congestion on EOS. Telos Rex is also currently paying out hefty returns thanks to the Telos Economic Development Plan, supplying an extra 1 million TLOS tokens per month to Telos Rex stakers, while running the chain at 0% inflation. If you want to learn more about Telos, learn how to Rex your TLOS tokens using both Squirrel Wallet and Scatter, or get your free Telos account, check out the link in the description. This message on Telos is brought to you with the support of the Telos community via the worker proposal system. That's it for me for this one, guys. I'll see you in the next one.